Oopsie. I think he got away with it. No one noticed. Joe Root didn't notice. No one. Warner didn't notice.
Now hitting hard through the leg side again. Trouble.
Umar's down. Maybe Quiney.
Oh, no.
Do that. Let's hope not. Let's hope he gets up and flies away.
Something big's happening.
Is it
From the crowd.
No, it's the Seagulls up on his feet. This is that's him. That's him.
That's an unbelievable effort.
That's a bigger recovery since Rick McCosker in the centenary test here at the MCG.
He did a couple of leaning jowls, Gilly. You see that up on his...
That's a bit jumps the rope right now.
It's a bit wobbly still.
He's not happy with him. He saw what he tried to do to him earlier.
I've got Bob Willis alongside me. Hello, Bob. How was that feeling?
Well, it was very entertaining, wasn't it? I thought it was a brilliant performance by all the bowlers for a change, and I'm sure the crowd thoroughly enjoyed it.
Marks out of 10?
4.
Only 4?
Well, it wasn't a patch on my game, was it?
Take that off.
Well, I'm very flattered, Joe, that you liken me to Albert Einstein. Quite a good impression of the late Brian Clough, I thought. But, young man, when your little purple patch comes to an end, I'll have you back in the dock.
The soil content has gone really dark. It's still absolutely rock hard. You can see this area here, and that is absolutely bullseye for the spinners, a real rough area. And this strip going down the pitch is where the fast bowlers have run off. That's going to be a handful. And the groundsman tells me, Alfred McAlpine is the groundsman, and he says that overnight there's been a dramatic growth of grass. You can see the length of the grass there, and that is perfect.
Ben Stokes is gone. Saluted off the field by Marlon Samuels.
Oh, this time away the lad. Fabulous effort, yes! Ben Stokes, fastest century at Lords. Sit down, Root. Even Marlon Samuels would have enjoyed that. We should get him on the line.
Well, the Sky Football Department is unique in its ability to dissect football and the analysis. So you can analyse your batting now, because we've got a little bit here. So that was against Flintoff, the first one.
That's pretty poor.
Well, that's not so bad.
That's not so bad, yeah.
I like the way you're holding your
Yeah, what am I doing?
Look at that.
Have some of that.
That was the Hogarth 4, up and over extra cover.
The celebration as well.
Touch of gloves.
What's this one? Whoops. Not
Watch
quite
the ball.
so good. And then this one out. Oh, no, that was all right. Yeah, but he got me out, though, look. That was OK. Oh,
You got up the safe end.
On a cold and gray Chicago morning, a poor little baby child is born in the ghetto. In the ghetto. And his mama cries. 'Cause there's one thing that she don't need, it's another little hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto.
So the afternoon session starts as, well, not quite as did the first one. Might just lost a camera there. Mikey, all happening in the lunch break. Change of wicket keepers for New Zealand. I think one of our cameramen's been having lunch with Beefy, to be honest. A liquid lunch. Here he goes. Oi. And there he goes. Don't have lunch with both of them, Phil. One too many glasses. I'm happy.
Moment of glory.
moment of glory.
Ben Stokes!
He actually moved.
Replay. Where's the replay? Now this was Ben Stokes, but Ben Stokes pulled it off yesterday. Could you believe that catch yesterday?
Very similar.
What are you doing?
I've got to catch one. Come on, please.
Hard hands. Hard hands.
You're in my pocket now.
Oh, hedged in carry. In carry. Anderson on top of his game. 52 for 1. Oh, where's he hit? Where's Cook been hit? Joe Root sees the funny side of this. I'm not sure Cook does.
There's a few blokes in the commentary box having a bit of a giggle as well, but there isn't anything worse than that. Maybe a good reason that's why we should consider wearing a box in the field.
Doesn't take a lot to make Joe Root smile. That has.